On the planet of Hinduism, in the galaxy of Brahmana, two souls, Ravi and Sita, from different castes, fell deeply in love. Defying tradition, they married in a beautiful ceremony, surrounded by friends and family. However, their happiness was short-lived. The traditional evil monsters, the Asuras, who opposed intercaste unions, attacked the young couple, seeking to tear them apart. Ravi and Sita, determined to protect their love, prayed to the gods for help. Lord Vishnu, the preserver, and Lord Shiva, the destroyer, heard their pleas and prepared to intervene, but the fate of the young lovers remained uncertain. Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, along with the god army, the Devas, descended upon the planet, their celestial vessels shining bright. The Asuras, with their dark magic and ancient weaponry, were no match for the gods' advanced technology and divine powers. Led by Lord Vishnu, the Devas charged into battle, their laser weapons and cosmic shields illuminating the sky. Lord Shiva, with his trusty trident, struck down the Asuras' leader, the powerful demon king, Riktabija. As the battle raged on, Ravi and Sita, shielded by the gods' protection, watched in awe as their oppressors were vanquished. The Asuras' dark magic was neutralized, their casteist ideology crumbling beneath the gods' mighty feet. With the Asuras defeated, the gods gathered around Ravi and Sita, their faces beaming with joy. Lord Vishnu blessed the couple, his hand on their heads, "May your love be the beacon of hope for generations to come." Lord Shiva gifted them a celestial garland, "May your bond be as strong as the cosmos." The couple, overjoyed, thanked the gods, their hearts filled with gratitude. They returned to their community, their love now a symbol of unity and strength. The planet of Hinduism celebrated their victory, the gods' intervention a reminder of the power of love and acceptance. As the gods departed, their vessels disappearing into the cosmic ether, Ravi and Sita gazed up at the stars, their love shining brighter than any celestial body. In a distant corner of the galaxy, a new era of love and harmony had begun, the gods watching over, ever vigilant, always ready to defend the power of love. Ravi and Sita's intercaste marriage flourished, blessed by the gods, a beacon of love and unity.